Okay, I'm going to show you how you can upload handwritten work to Google Drive to make it easier to submit work in Blend. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the Google Drive icon. If you don't have Google Drive installed on your phone, you can get that from the Play Store. So when I open that, you're going to see some stuff about creating your own personal workspace, but what we really are interested in is this plus. When you open this plus, you're going to get this option to scan. So you'll see the little camera icon. The first time you use it, you'll have to allow it to use your camera. So what I'm going to do is take a picture of my work. Okay, and you'll see I have a picture of the paper that was just under the camera, and I can either undo it and try again, so if I didn't like that picture, or hit the blue box to accept it. Okay, and if I have more than one page, the great part about this app is I can just hit add, and then I'm going to put another page in here, take another picture. If I like that one, I'm going to hit the check mark. And I can keep doing that for as many pages as I have. So if I'm done with my 2 pages, I'm going to hit save. And what you'll see then is I get a menu option. So I am going to call this Test 6. So you would want to name this whatever the name of the assignment is in Blend, and hit save. Okay, now I'm going to go to my computer. And I'm going to go to my documents, and I'm going to go to recent. Okay, and you'll see right here is my test 6, so I didn't have to paste pictures to a Google Doc or anything like that.